Welcome back to Garage Therapy. Today we're going to be bypassing the, I don't know what the hell it's called, the ballast resistor on my big block charger. I'm going to tackle a few other wiring gremlins. Let's get to it. Well, first thing first, bash my day. Let's take the hat off. This is the ballast resistor. That thing. Now, I do not recommend doing this unless you have an MSD box and a hot ignition or one of their ready to run distributors. Do not do this unless you have one of those. Now, battery off. I think I left that loose. Yep. And I've already taken the coil off. I had to go get another one. I burnt that out. So, I don't see any grounds from the block to the firewall or the chassis anywhere. There's a handful of little electrical gremlins. Let me go take you under the dash and show you some of that good stuff. The previous owner that I got this from did not do this, but he had a hell of a time with the car. And there's just junk everywhere. I mean, there's alligator clips on alligator clips on top of alligator clips. Like, what the world? Some people, man. Back to the ballast resistor. This now is off, is the resistor. Nothing wrong with it, just does not need to be on there with the hot ignition. This is what you'll make to replace it. Just a little jumper. Ta-da! I think the first ground I'm going to address is from the back of the block to the firewall. And I'm just going to utilize this hole that was holding on the ballast resistor. And I'm just going to, this is the first thing I find, the closest thing. And there we go. I'm going to run this ground strap from here to right here. I'm going to clean this off, and instead of just running a bolt in there, I think we're going to clean it out with a thread chaser. Let's go. Oh, there she goes. Not very good at shooting that thing. Ow. If you can see him. A big long bolt that's going in there. Get carried away with that real quick. Voila. Now from here, I'm gonna roughly measure out what I need. This is some 12 gauge. This is gonna be this back ground strap. Some of the things I'm needing. I am, however, going to take this eye. I'm gonna pull this sleeve off of it. And I'll show you why here in a second. And the finished product. Let's throw it on. And there you go, just like that. I switched holes because I had to cut this one down, could not get it back in. It was a son of a bitch. And I just ran the ground wire up behind the rest and straight onto the firewall. And now that my leads are all tightened, see what I mean? This looks, I ran out of black and red. Only size I had left for this was blue. So that sucks. Now we're gonna throw the coil back on. A new one, because it just blew up the other one. Coil is now back on the car. Everything where it needs to be. Coil back on, connected. Let's go see if it'll fire up. Should I pump it? Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's that. I think I'm going to tackle the wiring under the dash another time. It's hot, I'm tired. Standing, stretching my legs over that big old long tooth hood. It gets to you. So, and there you have it. Quick, simple, easy way to bypass the ballast resistor. Sorry, I'm always having brain farts when I talk. But that's it, simple. Give me a like, subscribe, comment, let me know. I'm thinking about dubbing this one in Spanish again, like the last video. I think it's kind of fun. Poquito español, yo habla a little bit. So let me know. Have a good one. Thank you.